Welcome to Homidia. Have you ever looked at your small outdoor space and wondered how to transform it into a beautiful, functional garden? In 2025, the possibilities are endless, even for the most compact areas. With the right plants and design strategies, you can create a lush, inviting garden that reflects your personal style and meets your needs. In this video, we'll explore innovative ideas and trends for small gardens in 2025. From vertical gardening to selecting the perfect plants, we'll guide you through the process of maximizing your space without compromising on beauty. If you find this video inspiring, please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with small garden transformations. In 2025, the art of gardening is shifting toward smarter, more efficient design, especially for those working with limited outdoor space. Embracing small garden ideas starts with rethinking how we use every inch of space, both horizontally and vertically. One of the most creative strategies is vertical gardening. Instead of sprawling plants across the ground, vertical gardens utilize walls, fences, and trellises to bring greenery upward. This not only saves precious square footage, but also turns blank surfaces into lush backdrops. Climbing roses, clematis, or fragrant jasmine can transform a bare fence into a fragrant oasis, while stacked planters or pocket walls let you layer herbs and flowers beautifully. As part of Garden Trends 2025, container gardening continues to evolve and remain one of the most popular ways to cultivate greenery in small areas. But the trend now goes beyond terracotta pots and into repurposed materials like galvanized tubs, reclaimed wooden crates, and hanging baskets with modern flair. Grouping containers of different sizes and materials creates dynamic height variation and texture. Think tall ornamental grasses paired with compact blooming lavender, or bright petunias trailing over rustic buckets. These combinations bring seasonal color and softness, especially when you're trying to make a small space feel inviting and full of life. When it comes to patio garden ideas, nothing enhances your space like carefully selected plant varieties that are both practical and pleasing. The right plants can completely transform a small patio into a cozy retreat. Low maintenance, drought-resistant plants like succulents, agapanthus, and echinacea are especially ideal, as they require minimal care while still offering vibrant blooms and texture. Don't forget edible plants like cherry tomatoes, basil, or mint, which can double your enjoyment, providing beauty and fresh ingredients right outside your door. Incorporating hanging planters above railings or arranging them around the seating area brings nature even closer to where you relax. Smart small space landscaping in 2025 is all about multifunctionality and eco-awareness. Every element in your garden should serve more than one purpose. Consider installing a bench that lifts to reveal hidden storage, or a small table that folds away when not in use. Even the planters themselves can be dual purpose, such as seating walls that double as raised beds. For paths and ground cover, gravel, reclaimed bricks, or low-growing thyme create a soft, natural flow that blends functionality with charm. Using layered zones such as a dining nook, a potted border, or a reflective corner with a water bowl adds a sense of movement and makes the space feel larger than it actually is. Another exciting development in small garden ideas is the emphasis on native and pollinator-friendly plants. These plants not only thrive with less water and care, but also support the local ecosystem by attracting bees, butterflies, and birds. Coneflowers, black-eyed Susans, and yarrow are not only beautiful but help biodiversity thrive right outside your window. They're also perfect for tucking into containers or narrow beds where you need a pop of color and life. Choosing varieties that bloom at different times ensures your garden is always alive with seasonal interest. Lighting is another key element shaping garden trends 2025. Small spaces benefit immensely from the warm glow of ambient light sources. Solar-powered lanterns, LED string lights draped across a pergola, or softly glowing orbs placed among potted plants can completely change the nighttime atmosphere. Lighting draws attention to key features, like a decorative planter, water bowl, or vertical wall, and makes your garden usable even after sunset. This trend isn't just about aesthetics. It's also about creating a calming, restful environment that encourages you to linger outdoors longer, no matter the hour. For those seeking fresh patio garden ideas, don't underestimate the power of water and movement in your design. A small bubbling fountain placed in a corner, or even a ceramic bowl with floating blooms and candles, adds a tranquil focal point and relaxing sound. Sound and texture are often overlooked in small garden designs, but they're what elevate a space from pretty to truly sensory. Combine that with strategically placed wind chimes or rustling ornamental grasses, and suddenly your patio becomes a peaceful escape, perfect for a cup of tea in the afternoon or winding down in the evening. Last but not least, in 2025, the elegance of small space landscaping lies in thoughtful restraint. The idea of maximal minimalism is growing, focusing on a few meaningful pieces rather than overcrowding the area. Instead of squeezing in as many plants or items as possible, consider investing in a beautiful statement planter, a piece of weather-resistant artwork, or a mirror to visually double your greenery. These curated elements allow your small garden to breathe while still feeling lush, personal, and intentional. The goal is to create a space that feels restful and inspiring, no matter its size. Transforming a small garden into a beautiful and functional space is entirely achievable with thoughtful planning and creativity. By embracing vertical gardening, selecting the right plants, incorporating multifunctional furniture, and adding personal touches, you can create an outdoor oasis that brings joy and relaxation. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel for more gardening inspiration, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your small garden projects and ideas. Let's continue to grow and inspire each other.